How high you want it, Bernie?
I'll have to get over that center there.
Does that the oil pan tray over?
Yep.
Get that Allen key?
Smile, you're on candy camera. We got your butt. I think you have to move this plywood. I don't think it's going to go with that plywood.
Just slide it under the car more.
Yeah. Well, actually pull it out because the engine has to go in pretty far.
The funny thing is, I have 2 complete sets of metric and 2 complete sets of ASA. And this is what I have here.
Give him this side.
How are you dropping this in? That's it. Too small. Try this right here.
No, I can just shake it with a bunch of towels.
They don't fit.
How? Got it. Huh? You caused all that trouble for nothing. Andrew, forget it.
We got it, Andrew.
Got it?
We got it. I got it.
I knew that we had
Dinah did it. Dinah found it.
Dinah found it?
Okay. Keep that plywood out from under there. We'd be good. Push the wood. Over the ground?
The Bernadette.
We got it. What you gotta do to work? There we go.
Easy, easy, easy. You don't have to get. No.
No, I'm trying to go back as far as I can so I can get the plywood out.
Stand on the plywood.
No, get off.
Stand on the plywood and we'll pick the front of this up and then it will slide right on it.
Think so? You got it?
Yes, I know so. Ah.
Okay, try it.
Man, run over and killed by engine. Not attached by car. Andrew, take the emergency brake off.
There you go. I don't think you'll be able to get it with that high.
Wait a minute. Pick that end of the wheel up. Just pick it up. Pick it up with your hand. As your foot dumb up. Okay. Pick it up on this side over here. Stand on the plywood. There you go. Ready? Okay. Same thing on the other side.
My head.
You're not worried about an engine upside your head. Ow. You gotta vote that. I did an engine job. Look, my head. Pick it up some more, Andrew. There you go.
Okay. Has to go that way a little bit.
Ooh, that hurt.
Wait. Ready? Ow.
Get that compressor all the
You
way.
know what? I'm going to tell my mom on you. Don't go over this. Right there. Over top of the grill.
There's some light for you.
The engine's smiling. Look at that pretty weight it's got on it. Where'd you get that oil filter?
Aerial filter? Probably from Stroud. Look at high enough, push it in.
You guys need a light on over there.
Keep clicking.
Keep clicking. That'll give us the light. Okay.
Forward, that's on this way.
You say so.
No.
These right here. Huh?
Those goes there.
All it's going to do is try to move the board.
You're not moving the board.
Hold all the weight on.
We'll have a little muscle.
Let it down slowly.
How about on the hood? Is it going to hit the hood
Down
there?
a little bit. Let it down now. Let it down a little bit. A little bit.
Alright, stop.
That's come in a little bit.
Stop. Down.
Let it down.
Just a tiny.
Push it in a little more. Andrew, get that compressor out of the way. That compressor's right out of the way. Okay. Let it down slowly.
Pushing in for it. Yeah, you have to.
Has to come in a little more. Stop right there. Come in. Okay. Let it go down. Andrew, get on that side and look at Bill. Somebody check them out on that side. It looks like it's going to go right on this side.
Where's that drop point?
Looks like she's ready to go right now. Looks like you're going to line up perfect.
I said start this sucker up with any radiation or carbon. And you put it down where the motor mount is. You gotta make sure that bolt goes to the motor mount.
All he knows what he's looking at. Looks pretty damn close.
See this bolt right here? See this? See that one right here? That's gotta go through this right here. Okay, see this bolt right here? My finger sticking through it? It's gotta go through this hole right here.
Just bring it up a little bit. Okay, half inch. That might do it if I can hold it like that. How are you looking at that side, Andrew?
Looks like you need to shave.
Let it go back a little bit or we want to try to force it down.
Put your fingers, guys. Alright?
Put it down slowly. My side looks like it's going on. That's what I can see. Okay, gotta wait to see the bolts go in.
And the holes are lined up.
She's in.
Do it to it. Hey, it's the first time you ever seen a V8.
Yeah,
Don't know if it's going to run or not, but hey, you're in there.
okay, this one looks like it's going to come up and down. You got it on? You got it through? Nope. Get a hammer, tap it through there.
Damn it.
Actually looks like it has to go down a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Go down a little bit. Yep, there you go. Get a hammer down through. Okay, all the way through, you put the nut on the back.
Is that through?
Says it is. I can't tell on this side. Line's through. You just got to get it. Tap this one here.
Put the head through this side. Can you fill the
Yeah, it's good on. I always have those on the window.
Alright, that's good enough then. There's a nut.
Tap it in with the hammer.
Where's the hammer at?
I got it.
I just got to get the bolt through.
Well, you guys are in the dark, but that's okay.
Up or down?
Let it down a little.
Scalp.
Go. That'll work.
Okay, jack it up just a little bit.
I can't get it on my side.
Hello, camera.
Okay, I got it started on this side.
Not on mine.
Okay, let me hop over and see what we got. Got it, Andrew? Or? Here, tap the bolt through if you have to. Is the bolt out the back end?
Yeah, only it's just a tiny bit. You
Okay,
can't
so
fit this on it though.
Just tap. Okay, try it now. See if you can get to it now.
No.
Okay, let me try it. Okay, jack it up a little bit. Let's see.
Is that the right one?
Only 2 minutes now, bolts.
One more?
Yeah, jack it up some more. Actually, seems like it's too short. The other side, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I was going to think that might be the wrong bolt.
No, I measured it.
Yeah, is it the right one?
This fucking bolt ain't going in for me.
Maybe too short.